Great feeling, great feeling. Congratulations, my beautiful sister. I just wanted to show you that people are documenting everything. They know what it means to finally get their learner's license. Remember, others are trying several times, but they don't succeed, and that's why it worth celebrating. It's a great victory when you find yourself in this situation whereby you went to the learner's test classroom, you did your magic, you got things right, you wait outside for others to finish writing, you go out there, and the person who has been helping you in the classroom, make sure that they give you all the stuff that you need. You go to the window as you see her going to pay there. She get her learners. She's super excited simply because of finally she got the learner's license. Now she can take her time because she has 2 years before it expire. She can take her time. Others don't even wait for 3 months. Others on the second week or the third week, they start preparing with their driving lessons. But we all know that we come from different backgrounds. There are those who will get it, go back to work, try to work so that they can save money. By the time they have that money for booking, it's already late and the learners is about to expire. It used to be 1.5 years, but now they extended it with additional 6 months. Now it's 2 years, so that you can have enough time to save as little as you can so that you can finally get your driver's license. It's a hustle. It's a serious business. You need to take it serious. Getting a driver's license is a serious business. I don't want to lie to you. You have to focus. You have to give it time. You have to be consistent. Otherwise, you'll be very disappointed during your learner's test. And I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. If you like this kind of content, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. I would also like to hear your thoughts and hear how you also passed your learner's license or your learner's test. I would like to read your comments. Thank you.